Hi, welcome my friends. I have a question for you. Do you know the power of your subconscious mind? Do you know how subconscious mind works? Do you know how subconscious mind is being programmed and how it controls you automatically? My friend, subconscious mind can be programmed very easily through self-hypnosis. Self-hypnosis is the most powerful tool to reprogram your subconscious mind consciously. Now my friend, I am Pradeep Agarwal and I am learning and I am practicing myself self-hypnosis since 1972, almost 48 years now. And I am conducting workshops all over the world. And I work with the top level sportsmen. And first of the time I teach them how to program their mind using self-hypnosis. Now self-hypnosis is the most powerful tool to reprogram your subconscious mind consciously. So my friend, I am conducting a workshop on Zoom on 20th of December 2:30 p.m. afternoon, which is Sunday. It's a practical workshop where you learn by doing it. So let me tell you what you're going to learn in this the Zoom workshop on 20th of December. First you will learn how conscious mind and subconscious mind works. Then you will learn how subconscious mind being programmed and how self-hypnosis can help you program your subconscious mind consciously. Then you will learn the power of imagination, how it works. And then you will learn how to go into self-hypnosis instantly in few seconds. Go into self-hypnosis, program your mind and come out of it. And then you will learn how to practice affirmations. You will learn how to use visualizations. Then you will learn how to create your own affirmations so that you can program your mind whenever you want. And then you will learn some simple ways of wording suggestions and then the power of questions. You will learn sometime affirmation doesn't work, then what to do. You will learn power of questions and then you will learn how to set your goals and achieve your goal using hypnosis, NLP and very powerful timeline therapy. And then you will learn how to find good ideas using pathway to the goal, another powerful technique. And then you will learn a very powerful technique called circle of excellence, NLP technique. But you will learn in the workshop so that you can program your mind wherever you go, before you go, program your mind. So whatever state of mind you need, you can use it. I teach this technique to all my top sports persons and they use it regularly to perform superbly. Now my friend, listen carefully. This workshop is happening on 20th of December on Zoom, 2:30 p.m. sharp. It will be approximately 4-hour workshop. Yes, approximately 4-hour workshop. Now what this workshop will you do once you attend this workshop, when you learn this thing, what it will do for you? Listen carefully my friend. Imagine once you learn self-hypnosis, you are going to go for a meeting and you're feeling lack of confidence or you're feeling some nervousness or you have enough time, you can instantly go into self-hypnosis and program your mind. Yes, and when you open your eyes, within a few seconds, your programming is done in your subconscious mind. You can do mental rehearsal using self-hypnosis so your life becomes successful. Number one. Number two, you will learn how to set your goals and achieve your goals through NLP, powerful technique. Once you learn this technique, once you program your goal using timeline, you know what is going to happen? Suddenly you start meeting people. You start attracting right people in your life to achieve your goal. I'm using it for a long time, my friend, and it works every time. Imagine finding new wonderful ideas to achieve your goal, how it will feel. Wonderful ideas using the pathway to the goal, and you're going for a meeting or interview or somewhere feeling lack of nervousness or lack of confidence or you need more confidence. Use circle of technique. You can program your mind and the moment you are there, instantly this confidence will be triggered off automatically and you will do a wonderful job, whether it is a public speaking, whether it is an interview, exam, or maybe talking to opposite sex. Yes, people are using it for that also. So these are all technically, plus you will learn the power of words. Just change your words, change your life. You will learn how to use this, change your power of words and become successful. So my friend, listen carefully. This is a powerful workshop where you learn by doing it. No theory, my friend. And once you attend this workshop, your life you start moving towards your goals easily, naturally, and effortlessly. Start attracting more and more people which you want in your life, not what you don't want. So my friend, if you really want to take charge of your life, if you really want to program your subconscious mind consciously and instantly, set your goals and achieve your goal, and get into a powerful state of mind, this workshop is for you. So my friend, register right now. Let me tell you, in this workshop I'm going to get some bonus materials. Let me tell you the bonus first. Approximately 7,300 worth of bonus material you'll get. What you'll get? Hypnosis and self-hypnosis 2.5 hour recorded workshop video downloadable you'll get. Plus you'll get an MP3 of my 2 full day workshop on hypnosis for self-improvement. 2 full day audio program you'll get as a downloaded material, so you can practice self-hypnosis and many more things. Plus you'll get an audio file of uncovering the cause and developing confidence. Yes, this is a programming, very powerful. You can pick up a problem and listen to it, and in layers it will remove. Then you'll get another live recorded program, 1 full day program on self-hypnosis, live recording in Hyderabad. This is normally 2,000 rupees, which is also you get as a bonus. That MP3 also 2,000 you'll get a bonus. That's uncovering the cause, again 200 rupees, plus personal transformation 7 weeks PDF, 450 rupees. That is also part of the bonus. Affirmations PDF, ready-made affirmations which you can practice on yourself, and then a wonderful book, Power of Creative Visualization PDF. It's a book, totally approximately 7,300 rupees. Now this workshop, normally when I teach, it costs around 5,000 rupees. Now being it's a June workshop and plus these bonuses, the price is very reasonable. What is the price? Till 15th of December, early bird offer is 1950 plus GSTs come to 2,301 rupees. Now one more important thing, we are going to create a WhatsApp group, so you can connect with me personally via the WhatsApp group. Plus you get a manual, you get a certificate program, plus you can attend the same workshop in the future free. Yes, you can repeat the same workshop free. Plus, once we make a WhatsApp group, we will be announcing some free workshops. And advanced workshop, free workshop only for my students, and you will attend it free. Plus, whenever we create a new workshop, you will get a discounted price. So my friend, be part of this workshop. Register right now. Click on the link below or call us on the number given here. Register immediately. Till 15th of December, the bonus material and this discounted price is there. After that, price will become 3,000 plus GST, and there will be no bonuses. So take advantage of this. Register right now. See you on 20th of December, Sunday, 2:30 p.m. sharp. It will be a 4-hour workshop, and I'm really excited about this workshop to see you there. Thank you very much, and see you soon, and all the best.